everyone. So today I will be talking about the book of Nahum, Nahum. I have found a few, a few scriptures in there, which I will be talking to you about. So, um, thank you for being here and for enjoying these videos thus far. If you're new, you can watch this one all the way through and then start over from the book of Genesis. I do have a playlist on my YouTube channel uh, called Congregation of Yahuah. I will be posting this on there as well. So let's get started, shall we? Yahuah is a jealous and revenging El. Yahuah is a revenger and a possessor of wrath. Yahuah takes vengeance on his adversaries, and he watches for his enemies. Yahuah is patient and great in power, but by no means leaves unpunished. Yahuah has his way in the whirlwind and in the storm, and the clouds are the dust of his feet. Nahum 1:2-1:3. Yahuah is good as a stronghold in the day of distress, and he knows those who take refuge in him. Nahum 1:7. So today we actually learn about the personality and the size of Yahuah. So the clouds are the dust of his feet. If there is dust, the dust, like how whenever you walk there's dust on your feet, that in and of itself tells us that Yahuah is gargantuan. Massive. Okay? And whenever it says that Yahuah is a jealous and revenging El, that means that he is jealous like how a husband is jealous of his wife. Meaning that he is protective of his wife. He guards her as the most precious jewel. Okay? He sees her as his own above everyone else. And because of that, he also takes vengeance on his adversaries, his enemies. And that's why he also watches for his enemies. Because if he watches for them, that means that he can be protective of his wife. And he is patient and is great in power. Meaning he's very powerful, but he is also patient with his wife. And by his wife, as we learned in previous, he's talking about his people as his nation that he chose. Okay? This means Yehuda and Israel, and all together are Israel. Okay? Now, whenever it says by no means leaves unpunished, it means that every single time someone and anyone does anything wicked, he returns evil for evil. He punishes those who do evil, and he rewards those with good, who do good with good. Okay? This is where, in previous scripture, we've learned that the saying, do unto others as and you want them to do unto you. And because of everything, of him punishing the wicked, and because of their wicked deeds, it means he is a good Yahuah, a good El, a good deity. His domains, if you will, are lawfulness, good, and order. So, with that, hope y'all have a great evening. Bye.